Time traveler.
Time traveler
Diary.
diary. Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. Time traveler diary. So today our topic is time traveler diary. What is the topic, children? Time travelers diary. So we all know that what represents time. What represents time? Time always represents past, present, and future. So traveler, we all know what is the traveling means. Traveling from one place to another is nothing but travels. So diary. Diary. Why do we use diaries?
To write diary activities.
To write the diary activities and also for to remember the great points. So today we are going to learn this why the student used to he always want to sleep and always want to dream about the future. In this lesson we are going to learn about a boy what's thinking about the future. Okay, so the year was designed under this topic was recognize, see relationship between the past and the present, demonstrate. I will demonstrate the lesson with examples. Justify. After the class, you will justify. Next, create. The students will be able to create the story and read. The students will be able to read the lesson. So, see children. So, he is the boy. His name is Sidhu. He always want to go to future in his dream. Okay, one day he sleep. Okay, he fall asleep. At that time he got a dream that he was going to travel for future. Would you like to travel future or past, children?
Future.
How many want to go to past? Wow, so many students want to past to enjoy childhood, right? So some of the students, those who want to go for future, children, wow, you want to go to future and you want to explore all the things what's happening in and around the surroundings, right? Great children. So this Sidhu also wants to go to the future and he wants to know what technology is going on. Okay children, so he has written some of the things what might happen in the future. Let's see what he was written in his diary. He is saying that you can see my diary and you can read very flexibly. Now see here children, what did you observe in these pictures? Flying cars with solar panel, right? And see this car children, it was very amazing. It is very low level to the ground, half inch to the ground children. And what other we can see here? Flash. She is spelling the flash. So see here, first day he was landed on the roads. Whenever he landed on the roads, he observed the flying cars and all the lights are powering with solar power. So there is no more electric use. If there is no electric use, people use solar power means what happens? Automatically pollution may decrease. If there is no pollution, there is no deforestation. If there is no pollution, there is no deforestation. Can you know what is the meaning of deforestation, children?
Cutting of trees.
Very good. Deforestation means cutting down of the trees. Deforestation means cutting down of the trees. So if there is no pollution, there is no deforestation. By that we can smell the fragrance of the flower whenever we are going by the roads. Okay. Next day he landed on the By this, he landed on the fast food place. He observed that everyone are eating the organic food only. How many members are eating organic food, children? Really? Now it is very costly. We are not unable to buy all these organic foods. Present, we are living in the present, children. I am asking you the present questions. Okay. So there, every student are following, every kids and every adults, every people, they are using organic foods. Okay. Do you know what is the meaning of organic, children? What is the meaning of organic?
Without pesticides.
Organic means not having chemicals. Yes? Crops grown by natural manure. Okay, children. So, at that day, he ate 4 burgers of fresh piece of 4 burgers. And later, the next day, he went to, where did he went? Saivika school. Where did he went? He went to the school itself. Here, the principal, we are calling now principal, right? There, in the future, we are not able to call as principal. He is the head of the learning. What we call? In future, what we call the principal? Head of the learning. Do you know our principal name, children?
Yes.
Yes, write down. I will check later. Okay. So next day, he asked the principal sir to show all the think rooms in their school. He wanted to know how the learning is happening in the schools. So next day, he went to the classrooms. If you observe the children, what happening here? With what they are, with what assistance they are doing? Robo. Here the robo is assisting both the teacher and the students. Okay. And all the students are doing experiments in the scientific research lab. Where they are doing, children? Scientific research lab. There they are going to research so many experiments. What they are having in their books, children. And next day he don't want to come back. He want to visit the school again and again. That's why he stayed in the school the next day also, and he visited there one World Art Center. Here anybody can learn how to draw the pictures. Okay, children. And also Space Academy. He observed Space Academy also, children. There they can understand how the astronauts are working. Okay. You know, children, do you know one thing? We are having the field trips. But in the future, they are having the field trips to Mars. Would you like to go there? Yes? Yes. In the future, it was happening. On the next day, he come out of his sleep. That's the lesson. Okay, children. So generally, this type of stories are called science fiction stories, children. Which stories? Science fiction stories. All these stories tells about the future technologies, okay, robotics, how advanced are they in the future. We can learn these things in the science fiction stories. Now, your homework is create any sci-fi story of your own children. Clear? Can you justify why people are using organic food only? For maintaining the good health, children. Thank you.